Hi, good evening, Professor. Tonight, my second video. I'm discussing teacher competence areas, and the two questions that we are to ask ourselves and to answer for you are: one, what area do you think will come easy as it relates to teacher competencies, and what area will be more challenging? So I looked at the two, what I'm assuming are the two competence areas you're referring, and that is knowledge and the second, skills, which also encompasses attitudes. Um, to answer your first question, what do you think will come easy? I don't think either will come easy. I think I have to work really hard. As you've probably seen this semester, I am a bit of a perfectionist, except for when it comes to looking at the camera. I'm trying to decide which one to look at. Which one do I look better at? As it relates to what will come easy, like I said, I think both the way in which I teach, the skills that I use to teach, I'm gonna have to sharpen some, and I'm going to have to really work at making sure that at different moments when I need to be empathetic, I do so, and it may not come as second nature to me to be empathetic, but also it's going to take work. In regards to knowledge and whether it will come easy, again, I would say that is probably my biggest worry, and probably the one that I'm going to have to really work at. I think as it relates to physical activity and sport, I have such an interest, so the knowledge there is great. But as it relates to how I'm going to really fine-tune the knowledge and get that knowledge to my students, I have to understand it well enough to make sure that I can. The come easy part, I do have a lot of great attitudes, and I have passion as it relates to my subject, and I think that's going to be the easiest part for me. Hopefully I answered that right. In relation to what's more challenging, like I said, I kind of fell into that with the knowledge, talking about the knowledge. As I read the text and as I look over all the different types of knowledge we have to have, or the competencies, knowledge of the subject matter, again, I'm still learning. The theoretical knowledge about learning and human behavior, like what style of learning does this class need versus this class, or these students versus the other students, and then personal practical knowledge. Again, I've had a lot of experience with sport, and as a teacher, as an educator, within work as well as outside activity. I've really had a lot of experience with human development, with adults and children alike. So I think I really have to study up, and this class, along with a couple of other ones that I'm taking this semester, are really educating me as to all the influences and all the things that a teacher has to combine to really be effective. So I hope that with all the learning that I'll be doing over the next few years, that I'm really prepared to teach, because I definitely think I don't think I'm going to lose the passion that I have. I don't think I'm going to lose the natural attitudes that I possess, and I think I'm going to have to really work again to learn more. We're always learning, right? Thanks.